Hi everyone, this is Jay Harris coming to you from Tom's Trading Room, and I have a video update here for you. And this video is going to go over how to transfer one trade in one folder into a separate other folder. Let's say you have a batch of trades in one particular folder and you've closed some of those trades over time, and you want to do a portfolio analysis on just the closed positions. You can do that, but how do you know which ones are open, which ones are closed? Well, when you close the trades, you can transfer those closed trades into a closed trades folder. So first and foremost, you're going to want to have two folders. I'm going to go to Trades, Saved Trades, and then left click on Saved Trades. And you will see that I have here in the folder selected my MC Bullish, my Money Calendar Bullish folder. If I click on the drop down arrow, I can go ahead and find the closed MC Bullish. So whatever folder you have for a particular strategy and you've named that, I would suggest naming a closed and that strategy folder. So I have an MC Bullish folder and I also have a closed MC Bullish folder. So that way when I have these closed trades in my MC Bullish folder, I can transfer them over into the closed folder and run a separate performance review on just the closed positions. So I have the MC Bullish, and let's just say we need to close one of those trades out, and it just so happens that IBB is one that I'll do for you here. Let's click on the Check a Trade for Trade Tools column, the square next to the trade name. Left click on that to put a check mark in that box, and then left click on Risk Graph. It'll bring up the Risk Graph page, and if you want to close this position, you'll left click on the button for Close, and it'll bring up this page, closed trade page, down below where it says new closing trade legs. Let's go ahead and set the color. If you haven't already done so, when you're buying, we set the color code for red because that's a cost. And when we're selling, we'll set the color to green because that's bringing in some capital. So we will then change the number to the number of contracts that I just paper traded or have here in the tools, and then the price. And we're going to type in 3.12. Typically on the money calendar ETFs on a bullish or bearish setup, we look for a 50% ROI. That happened today, and it happened at $3.12. So let's go ahead and click on now update, and it'll update and show you both legs right now. Bought at 208, sold at 312. You can click on Risk Graph if you like and bring up the Risk Graph to show you the same thing. However, it may show two offsetting legs not displayed with value of. Click on that hyperlink and it'll refresh the page with those legs in there for you. Okay, so that's a closed trade now. Let's go back to the access to saved trades. You'll see that IBB is still here under the saved trades for the MC Bullish folder. So let's scroll on up, or when you log in, just go to website. And this is the process you do to transfer a trade from one folder to the other now. The website, folders, and then edit folders. And when the edit folders page refreshes here, you'll see the edit folder list box right here. You're going to want to select both folders. You're going to take the a trade from folder A and transfer it or move it into the trades in folder B. So here I have the MC Bullish folder. There's a listing of the trades. IBB is still there. It's because I have not moved this closed trade into the MC Bullish or the closed MC Bullish folder. So let's choose that folder for folder B. And there's closed MC Bullish. And we want to then select that particular trade. So make sure it's closed first. And then when it is, go to your website, folders, edit folders, make sure both folders are up. Folder A is the one you want to have the current positions in, and you want to take one of those and transfer it into folder B, which is your closed folder for that particular strategy. Now that we've done that, we'll left click on the blue move button, and you'll see that IBB is now over here in folder B, and it's taken away from folder A. You can now go ahead and go up to your, trades portfolio and do a performance review if you like. But that's not the point of this video. Very simply, we wanted to show you how to take trades from one folder, transfer it into another folder, and that is now how you get that done. Any further questions or concerns on this topic or anything else, reach out to us at support@tomgentile.com. We'll be there for you the best we can. Bye for now.